Hi guys. It's the last day of January, right?
I love how no.
This girl posts 40 minutes till snowstorm, everyone go home, but we're gonna go out to grab dinner in the city. Yeah. What day is it?
Can I have one more?
30th? Oh, I was far off, bruh. 28th. Today's the 28th, and a huge snowstorm is coming.
A huge snowstorm is coming.
It's gonna snow 1.5 feet, probably more, and there's a good chance I won't be able to perform tomorrow. Oh. Yeah, it's snowing a lot.
Why is summer vlogging so awkward? Like when she just talks, it's like, yeah, it's snowing a lot.
No, the sole purpose of this vlog is for me to remember that it snowed a lot. Like, we're not even doing anything exciting right now, but I just wanted to
Like I would. Like,
Keep
can
it
you
in
stop
mind.
shaking your phone and just leave it? Like
Sorry.
you keep on like facing it to the ceiling. You know, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Wait, but if I do it and
Oh, that's so much better. Are you sure?
Hannah, are you just a camera stand?
no. I'm laughing. No, I'm laughing because that girl just tripped and we got it on camera. You're so stupid. Oh my god. End of vlog. End of vlog.
No, wait,
Bye.